if you do this in Germany, you'll probably get arrested. Ruhezeit, or also known as quiet hours, is a time period where loud noises are prohibited. This time is meant for you to rest, relax, or sleep. In general, it is observed from 10 pm to 6 am at night, and also during the day between 12 to 3 pm. These timings will vary according to the city, state, and even the building you're living in. Construction work, loud music, partying, and other noisy activities are prohibited in residential area during this period. Sundays are completely quiet as a whole, so don't think about doing renovations or any loud cleaning. This applies to all public holidays as well. You can face fines starting from 100 euros to 5,000 euros, and that's why